Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Agaro camera monopod. There's an illustration of the monopod right on top. As you can see, this particular monopod has a maximum height of 57 inches, which is a little shy of 5 feet. It's a height adjustable monopod. It has 4 leg sections. It comes with aluminum body. It is portable. It's also lightweight. It comes with non-skid rubber feet and a bubble level as well. This also has quick release plate. Furthermore, it has a load capacity of up to 4 kilos. I will now open this and show you what's inside. Right on top, notice that this particular monopod comes with this carry bag. This is a great addition. This carry bag will make carrying this monopod around very easy. It's a cloth carry bag. It comes with this shoulder strap as well. It's a great addition. Let's see what's inside. So there you go. This is what you will find inside the box. First up, we have an instruction manual for this Agaro camera monopod. Everything that you want to know is given over here. That includes precautions, operating instructions, and also warranties. This is an important document. You should keep this safe. We have a smartphone holder for this particular monopod. There you go. This is for when you want to use a smartphone instead of a camera. So this is a good addition as well. And this is the pan tilt lever that comes separately. This we will attach over here. You know what, I'm just going to attach it and then show it to you. Attaching is pretty simple. Just make sure the screw goes in where it's supposed to and make sure it's tight. It's always preferable that you give it a little bit of angle so that, you know, well, when you're packing it, it should be like this, like parallel to the monopod, but when you're using it, an angle is preferred. So let's give it an angle for now. There you go. It's absolutely tight. First thing to notice is that there's a foam pad right over here. This makes it carrying it around quite comfortable. There's also a lanyard which makes it a little extra portable. Let's take a look at the top first. This is the base plate that this particular monopod comes with. Let me just show that to you. There you go. This is the base plate that it comes with. The smartphone bracket can go on top of it, or you can have a camera that fits directly on it. I'll keep the base plate over here. Base plate comes with this kind of elevation as well, so it can move like this. So that's also great. All these knobs are for tilting and panning. This, I'm assuming, is the tilt function. Let me quickly see. The lever will help us. So if I loosen this, yeah, this is for tilting. Let me tighten that and see. Yeah, I can't move now, so this is the tilting knob, and this must be for panning. One second. There you go. This is for panning. So let's put that back. I'll tighten this part as well. Okay, right under the monopod there you have these tripods as well, these flexible tripods. So this is for fixing it to the ground. This is a great addition. This is completely locked in right now. It is not the most stable, but quite stable for, say, a small camera. This is obviously for personal use, and DSLRs are not exactly well suited for such a monopod. If you have a smaller camera, then it's great. You can obviously extend it. Actually, you can remove it as well. Let me just show you how to remove it. See this wheel over here? You can twist it till it comes off. Keep twisting and it's off just like that. There you go. This is the tripod that it comes with. And now let's take a closer look at the monopod. As I mentioned earlier, this has a maximum length of 5 feet, 57 inches, a little less than 5 feet, but when it's closed, it's around 23 inches, which is a little less than 2 feet in fact. And this can obviously extend quite a bit. Let me see how much. Yeah, there you go, quite a bit. And yeah, and then there's this bit as well. So there's one section. So each of the sections is, say, around 1.5 feet. So 1, 2, 3, that's 4.5 feet. And then this part, that's around 5 feet. Actually, no, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 3.5 feet basically. So around 4.5 feet to 5 feet in length. I'll show you a bit of operations. For that, I will need to attach a smartphone to this smartphone holder. As you can see, I will attach my smartphone right over here. Not the best suited one, but still this will do the job for now. And I'm going to attach this base plate to the smartphone holder. Notice that the base plate comes with a key of its own, so you don't have to get a coin or something to attach the base plate to the smartphone mount. There you go, it's more or less tight now. Now I'm going to attach this to the base right over here. How do we do that? It's pretty simple. There you go, it's attached now. Actually, it can be the other way as well, depends on your preference. I can attach it like this as well. This locking mechanism will make sure, this particular locking mechanism will make sure that the base plate is in position. There you go, it's in position now. Now you're good to use this particular monopod. As you can see, you're good to go. You can choose not to use the tripod. Okay, or if you think the tripod is being too cumbersome, you can just remove it as I showed you earlier. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Agaro camera monopod. Thank you for watching.